can't find a mockup for your template design or you don't like the mockups available in Canva, then I will show you how you can edit your printable template and still make it look realistic. So be sure to watch till the end. Go to Canva AI and enter the exact prompt for the photo where you want to add your template design. This is very useful if you are selling printable digital products and want to showcase your designs. Here's my prompt and I want to be very specific with it. Once you click the arrow, you can choose from the generated images. Then decide if you want to download it or edit it directly. Don't worry if the image already has another design like someone holding a card with a name. We'll replace it. Click the image, copy it, then paste it. Now you have two copies. Go to Edit and click on Magic Grab. Select only this part here, then click the Grab button. Now add your template design and reposition it. Next, click on the finger, then the three dots, go to Layer, and click Show Layers. Make sure the finger is on top of your template design and position everything carefully to make it look realistic. Want more Canva tips and hacks? Comment yes and don't forget to follow my page for more. See you in my next video. Bye!